Hey guys, welcome back to 90 Seconds with Chris. Today we're going to talk about income statements. An income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement, is just one of three major financial statements reported by every public company. This statement reports the revenues and expenses of a business over a given period of time, typically a 3-month period called a quarter. Unlike the balance sheet and the cash flow statement, the income statement tells us exactly how much money the company made or lost during a quarter. This money is called a company's bottom line. And this bottom line is simply derived by subtracting a company's revenue from its expenses during the given period. If this number is positive, it's called a net profit, while if it's negative, it's called a net loss. Back to my bakery example where I needed $10,000 in startup cost, but I only had $2,000. As a result, I raised $4,000 through issuing stock and another $4,000 through taking credits from bondholders at a 10% interest rate and a 10-year maturity date. Once I raised the $10,000, I then go ahead and use $3,500 to buy bakery supplies, and I keep the remaining $6,500 in cash. Fast forward 3 months, and we've done a bunch of jobs for different clients, and we pulled in $5,000 in revenue. We also had to spend $2,000 on expenses like rent and bakery supplies like flour and sugar. At this point, our income statement will look something like this. Total revenue of $5,000, which was the money we made during the first quarter, and total expense of $2,000, which is the money we spent on rent, flour, sugar, and other baking stuff. So the difference between total revenue and cost is called our operating income. In this case, is $3,000. We also go ahead and pay our bondholders who we borrowed money from at 10% of the $4,000, which is $400, and we pay $300 in taxes. I'm assuming a 10% tax rate. Once you subtract our taxes and our payment of our interest to our bondholders, that leaves us with our net profit of $2,700. In this case, our bottom line was a positive number. Keep in mind this is an oversimplified example, as I assumed this bakery had no employees to pay. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.